Welcome to HR Chronicle Mobile Application. In this video, we are going to look into each section of the mobile app in detail. View Profile. We can access the employee's personal information, employment information, and payment information in this section. Roster. In this section, the employee can view his shift timing and his off days. The roster can be viewed on monthly or weekly basis. Announcements. Shows the announcements sent by the HR to the employees. Upcoming birthdays. Shows the upcoming birthdays in your company. Upcoming holidays. Shows public holidays and company holidays if any. Expiring documents. Shows the employee documents which are going to be expired. Requests to approve. Displays the requests sent by the employees and which is in pending state. Requests awaiting approval. If you are a manager, then it shows the requests waiting for your approvals. Documents. Shows the documents details of the employees such as dependent labor, driving license, Emirates ID, etc. Documents can also be downloaded and sent to your email if necessary. Payroll history. Payroll history of the employee month-wise can be viewed and payslips can be downloaded from this section. Policy and forms. Forms and policies of the organization are stored in this section so that the employees can go through it. Attendance history. Shows the attendance history of the employee. Shows the in-time and out-time punched using the mobile application. Corporate directory. Shows the mobile number and official email ID of all employees working in that company. Paid leave summary. Shows the paid leave summary, that is, the balance available and the leave taken in detail. Request leave. In this section, the employee can request for leave by selecting the nature of the leave, first day and last day of the leave. Select the leave factor, enter the comments, and select the approver if applicable and submit. Status. In this section, the employee can check the status of the leave, whether it is pending or rejected or approved. Expense. In this section, the employee can request for expense by selecting the nature of expense, date, project, amount, description, and transaction reference, and attach any attachment if required, and submit. So send multiple requests at a time. Select to send option and submit. Status of the request can be checked in the status section. Timesheet. In this section, the employee can submit for timesheet if any extra hours worked for any project, with a valid description by selecting the date, hours worked, and project, and write the description. So send multiple requests at a time. Select to send option and submit. Status of the request can be checked in the status section. Overtime. The employee can apply for overtime by selecting the date start and end timing. The total hours worked will be calculated automatically. Enter the description and submit, and the request will be sent to the approver. So send multiple requests at a time. Select to send option and submit. Status of the request can be checked in the status section. Loan. Employee can request for loan or other types of deductions by selecting the deduction type, deduction start date, amount, payment mode, whether in single or installment. If installments, select the 10-year months and monthly EMI will be calculated automatically. Enter the comments and save. Letter. The employee can request the letter from mobile application by selecting the letter type and date. Enter the addressee if your letter needs to address to any specific person. Enter the comments and submit. Attendance. This option is used for attendance check-in and out using geofencing. The location will be shown. The person can check in using this option. Document update. This option is used to update the employee documents by selecting the document type and entering the necessary details and submit. Alerts. In this section, all the alerts or notifications received by the employee can be viewed. Events. The events by month-wise can be viewed in this section. Any events entered by the HR can be viewed by selecting the month and year. For further more information, reach us at the details shown on the screen.